Hey guys, welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to set up the time on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. The thing is, once you've paired it with your app, with your phone, basically in this case an iPhone, you basically have the time set up by itself. As you see here, it says 5:47 and we have 5:47 on the clock. So we can't really change that here. So if we want to change the time on our watch, you're going to have to do it on your phone. So that would be on settings or something on the phone. So there's no way to change the time, but it's probably better that your time is linked to your phone because your phone always is going to be getting the right time at every day, at every moment. So yeah, that's how you basically can check the time. And if you do change locations, if we say that we were traveling and our watch is not changing, then you would go to your phone, change the time zone, and then your watch will be updated. But of course, they have to be close to each other to connect. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.